Welcome back, everyone! For those who are new, my name is Cheyenne. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on www.justshy.com. That is my blog. And then on Instagram, I'm just_shy. On there, you'll find a lot of fun looks, maybe makeup tutorials, fashion looks, a little bit of everything. But in today's video, I'm super excited. I'm getting ready for date night. And sometimes when I'm on the go, I only have 15 minutes to get ready. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm getting ready in less than 15 minutes. I do apologize, I'm so sad. I ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so yes, I know, I don't really have brows. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. I'm going to use these little clips, and I'm gonna put them on the side of my hair so it gets out of my face. You can use whatever clips you would like. Once your hair is out of your face, you are going to use whatever eyeshadow palette that you would like. I really love this eyeshadow palette just because it has a lot of pretty warm tones. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it has a little bit of everything. So, for the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to start off with the shade Sable, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush. And like I said, I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye. Best pro tip is go ahead and just do it a little bit at a time. Sometimes when you apply it way too much at once, you get all these dark creases, and I think when you're trying to have a nice finished look, it doesn't look that great when you're trying to wipe off all the little extra. Sometimes it's hard to take off versus just putting it on, which is why I say take a little bit of a time. I'm getting ready in less than 15 minutes. Some of this will be fast forwarded, just so you guys know, but I do have my foundation on, I do have some bronzer, and my brows. Let's get started. So I'm putting this on the the outer corner of my eye. And it's okay if it comes off a little bit messy. Just remember, you guys can always wipe it off at the end. Going back in with that same color, going on the opposite eye. This is just a really nice, warm, I would say transitional color. Next, I am gonna go in the shade Sienna, which is this one right here, as well with the shade Cinnamon, which is this top one up here. So I'm gonna lightly grab my fluffy brush and I'm gonna lightly dab it on both. I'm gonna put this on the outer corner. So I would say this becomes more of like a, how do I wanna say it? Like not an upside down V, like a sideways V, if you wanna say that. Same thing, I'm just lightly applying it on my eyes. And remember, too much, it doesn't look good, but when you lightly apply it, it looks just right. Also, if you want to get really fancy, you can always get a piece of tape and put it along your eye to make sure it is a straight line. For those who don't care, you don't have to. I don't care, I'm not super picky, but that's just if you want like a super clean look. Also, just in case if you guys are curious, with this eyeshadow palette, I think it is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I think the upside to this is that with Beautycounter, they use all clean products. That's a good thing and it's a plus. The colors, like I said, are gorgeous. You don't really need a lot, but I really like, even when you go on their website, they have the, I think it's called we don't use whatever bad chemicals, and they have a website where they list literally over 200 different chemicals, and I'm like, wow, that's a lot. I didn't know they put a lot of that stuff in makeup, which could be very harmful. So that's a really nice benefit. Okay, so now that I'm done applying Cinnamon and Sienna on, like I said, a sideways V on the outer corner of my eyes, I'm gonna go in now with the shade Suede, which is this top one up here. And I am gonna apply it on the middle corner of my lid. And just so you guys know, I'm actually almost done with my eyeshadow. I love this look because it's so quick and it's so easy and it looks like you spent so much time, but yet again, seriously, I think maybe altogether this probably took maybe 2 minutes to complete this. Okay, my last part. I know when you first look at this eyeshadow palette, you're gonna see this color and you're like, oh my goodness, this looks very overwhelming. It's not, it's beautiful. It's the color Penny. I would say this is a very pretty gold. right here. I think this is best applied with your finger. I've tried it with the brush, doesn't come off the same, but lightly I'm gonna put it on my finger and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Wow, it's so pretty, you guys. Sometimes I even like putting it underneath my eye. Same thing, I'm gonna go back in with the same finger and put it on my other eye. Okay, next, because now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I am going to use a liquid eyeliner, and I love this liquid eyeliner. I use it all the time. It's the NYX Matte. I've tried using a pencil. For some reason, I can't get a straight line or a straight wing, if you want to say. I prefer using a liquid eyeliner. And I love that these are inexpensive. I think for this size, it costs $6.99 or $7.99, which is a great deal. And you can get this at Target. And for Beautycounter, that you get through a rep. So if you guys are interested, please let me know. I will have the rep who helped me help you guys, because I think she's awesome. Also for your eyeliner, just a pro tip, I think it's best to start from the inner corner of your eye to the halfway point, going straight down, and then once you hit right here, you're gonna make a straight line going up towards your brow, and then you're gonna curve down. I actually used to have a coworker who would do it backwards, and I used to think it was so interesting, but her eyeliner always looked so nice. So she would start from the wing, going straight down, and then going to the inner corner of her eyes. Let me know which one you guys do, because I'm curious. And it's okay if it's not a straight line. Just remember, you can always go back in and correct it. But it's better to add little by little versus adding too much and having your eyeliner be very thick and having to do your complete eye look all over again. So as you guys can see, I start from the inner corner, halfway, going straight down, and then I did a straight line. As you guys can see, it's a little triangle. Now I'm just gonna fill it in, and then if I need to, once I look down, I'll see if I need to go ahead and fix my line or not, but typically this gives me a good wing. Perfect, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same wing on my opposite side. I'm so sad this eyeliner is almost done. Just like my eyebrow pencil. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it was really sad. Perfect. Also, just in case you guys, I always say your eyeliner is never going to be perfect. I like to say, just like your eyebrows, you have sisters. They're not going to be identical. They're always going to be a little bit off, and that's okay. Okay, cool. Now that my eyeliner is applied, I'm going to use mascara. I love Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensation. I think this is under $9 at Target. I think this is really nice if you want to give your eyelashes just the extra volume. I'm not going full on glam. This is just a nice quick everyday, not an everyday, but I would say a nice date night look. So I like to start from the bottom of my root going up. Ooh, I don't know why my eyes got so watery right now. And now I'm gonna do my opposite eye. Okay, cool. So I did both my eyes. It's up to your preference if you want to do bottom mascara and eyeliner. I don't want to for today's look, but to finish everything, I'm going to be using a lip pan, and this is from ColourPop. I love these. They're super quick and easy. If you want a fuller look for your lips, it is best to go ahead and apply a lip liner on beforehand. Because I have more of neutral tones, I'm going to do the Gimme Schmore. Like I said, this is from ColourPop. I do have a discount code for this one if you guys want any ColourPop items. 5 Cheyenne for $5 off, and you guys can get it for any product. You don't have to just get it for this one, but I think these are awesome and quick to go. Also, once you're done applying everything, sometimes I like to get my wet, damp beauty blender, and I will use my powder. This is from MAC. I think this is in the shade C4. I will get my beauty blender and lightly apply it against the powder. And this just kind of gives it more of like a finished look, but I'll lightly just apply it along my cheeks. Here. And the more you apply, obviously, it will really show, but because I'm getting ready super quick, I don't want anything super crazy. And I just want to cover, I don't know if you guys do this, but sometimes when I get a blemish, I like to give it a name. So, I have a small little blemish right there, and today I'm calling him Fred. Yeah, that's right, I named my blemish Fred. Okay, cool. Now that Fred is covered up, I'm gonna take out my little hair clips, kind of give it a little shake, and that is it. If you guys like this makeup look, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really does help. If you guys are interested in seeing anything else, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. I hope this was super quick and easy for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.